welcome back to my northern farm. I have my audience, the turkeys. So, did Kioti cover my glass door? And yes, they did. Here, I'll show you. So here's the window. I have a sleeping bag on the other side. I was just filling up space, and I had this sleeping bag on this side of the window, just because the road that the highway I drove down to pick it up was pretty bumpy, potholes. All it would take is one hard hit and have you buying a window for $800 and something plus tax. So extra precautions. Another project I have to finish. Want to get this greenhouse going soon. Another little chicken coop behind that hill that I have there. It has to be finished. Never-ending projects. No holes. Since the plastic is still holding up good, nice and clear, and there's no leaks or rips or anything, so I'm just going to leave the plastic on the tractor until a nicer day when I have some help to do it. Even in the spring wouldn't matter to me. I'd rather not break the window trying to rush and put it on. It keeps the heat in already, so I'm happy with it for now. And it's the control side, so I don't even need to use that side really. And so it took an hour and a half to go get it, and the place that I bought it, I asked if they would change the window, put it on the actual door frame, but they wouldn't do that. So it's just more of a, it's not even a tractor dealer. They sell everything. They sell screws, four-wheelers, chainsaws, so safety stuff. So it's not really like a tractor store. If I was down south, then it was a actual dealership for tractors, they would have actually probably changed the door for me. But I'm way up north. Sometimes you have to do stuff yourself. I'm just happy that I got the window for free. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.